Hi friends, I wanted to come and share with you that very soon I will be opening up a few spots for the year ahead readings for the year 2026. Every year I have been giving out these yearly readings to a few of the people in my list. And last year, because of too many energy healings, I was not able to offer it. But I found two people actually calling me and asking me for the reading. One of them was a client who was asking the reading for her daughter because the daughter had insisted that please tell auntie that I want to know what the year 2025 looks for me. So I thought if that is the requirement, that is the interest, so let me also share with you all that I will be opening up limited spots for doing the yearly energy reading ahead. Now, what I mean by that is I do a spread of 12 cards, each representing every month of the year, and giving you insights and intuitive messages that I get from those particular cards. Now, those can be good months, those can be not so good months. So, I also provide guidance on how the not so good months, as per the cards, are showing for you to pave the way with ease and joy in your life currently going through the process. Now, obviously, please understand these readings are based on your energies. So, what is the current state of your energies? That is what you're going to be carrying into 2026. So, if you're also interested in knowing what 2026 holds for you as for now and how best to utilize the year 2026 to make it the best year ever in your life, then you can get in touch with me when I open the spots. And for that, I want you to make sure that you also watch out for the post section. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you might not get the post. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you're notified the moment I post it. And when I say it's going to be for a limited slot, so there are going to be limited number of people I will be able to accommodate. So it'll be on first come, first serve. And yes, it's a one of a kind reading that I do. And I've been doing since I started my tarot journey and got in touch with my friend Cassandra from the Tarot Underground. So be ready to know what energies you are going to bring about in 2026, what surprise awaits you, what potholes are there, and how to navigate your life's car around them. All the best.